Hi Collision, my name's Luke Morton. I am blessed to be on board with the Collision family. I play in the bands Kinzoku, Dying Messiah and Carbon Theory. I moved on to Collision Drumsticks mainly because of how incredibly durable they are. I play with the 5A extended reaches and also the 5Bs as well. I really like the extended reach stuff just because my fulcrum sits quite far back on the stick, so it allows me to reach my cymbals and toms and other voices are on the kit a lot easier. They get such a good tone out of the kit. I highly recommend these sticks to anyone who is playing drums and want durable sticks. Look out for new content coming this year. I've got a new album coming out with Kinzoku and much more to follow. Once again, blessed to be welcome on board to the family and enjoy this playthrough of Monolith from my band Kinzoku.
Alone I feel the forces will alien fight. Return the dark all stars.